Hey guys, another nice day up here in the wild north of Netley, I tell ya. We are currently on number 4 highway over going to the bridge to nowhere. And Tlo had a good idea to go out and check out at the end of Maine where Netley Creek empties into the Red River. And on a previous video, I think I showed you that the Amphibex was there and I explained all that. So we're gonna go check on to see what kind of work they did out there. So we got Tlo here. Say hi, Tlo.
Hello.
And we got old Midnight here. Hey, Midnight. Hey, my girl. Nagajigo. Okay. All right, so I'll take some shots of the river. We're gonna cross the river right away and we'll just see the progress. And hopefully, I'd like to make this a continuing video as the flood, which I'm predicting is gonna happen here up at the wild north of Netley, as it progresses through its stages. Right now, it's very early in the stage, so here we go. Oh yeah, they've broken up there, eh?
Yeah, it's broken up into pieces.
So they've broken up the main channel.
Yeah.
Definitely broken up.
I'm hoping I'm getting everything.
You should have broken your window and done it. All right, guys, so I decided to stop here. We are at underneath the bridge to nowhere. And the Amphibex that I talked about in the earlier video has already been through here. Have a look. See, it cuts up all the ice in order to make it flow better, I guess is the idea. Okay, wait, logical, stay. Oh. Okay. They broke it right up into Netley Creek a little bit. This is Netley Creek here. That's the camp is that away. And this is the red, where Netley Creek enters the red. Now, I want to show you this.
Hopefully nobody falls in because I don't want to rescue anybody.
I can't believe
People are stupid. Look how close they are to that. Like, that's just so stupid. You're putting people's lives at risk there. You stay here, Midnight. It's pretty mucky here. You stay here. This is pretty muddy. If it was cooler, when it dries up there, it's not too bad, but
and fishing. There's probably
you're walking in the mud.
I'm gonna say there's probably still like 3-4 feet of ice there.
I know,
so.
but still it's sketchy. With
Yeah, like I would be very nervous doing it. There's a good shot of how they cut it up, and they go all the way up around there to the cut and up to Devil's Creek again. So cool. All right. I guess this is some idiot here that left the shack on the ice and...
Honey.
What? Oh. I left the shack on the ice and they pull it off, and actually we should take it home, honey. Couple broken windows. We got some windows in the garage. Oh yeah, this thing is trashed. The end of Maine, I tell ya. The end of Maine. Okay, Minute, Nagajigo, let's go. Okay. Okay, so on the way up here, Tlo notices deer. Looks like a coyote kill. All the guts are eaten out. Definitely a deer though. A look at how harsh nature is. That's a shitty way to go. Getting pulled down by a pack of coyotes and getting eaten in the ice. Alright. Good eye though, Tlo. Good eye. Alright guys, so that concludes episode number 1 of the flood watch of the wild north of Netley.
Now, one more thing. Let me go see if the eagles are in the nest.
Okay, yeah, maybe there's eagle's nest up here that we'll see if they're back yet. I know the expert guide saw an eagle the other day in his yard, so maybe they're back. And I don't know, I'm getting kind of hungry. How about you?
Yeah, I am.
Where should we eat?
Sonia's.
Yeah, baby, Sonia's. We'll only do that in the summertime, so.
And what's his name that's coming to see you?
Mark.
Mark, that's what I thought. I wasn't 100% sure. You know me, I'm not good with names.
Okay, yeah, you're bad with names.
You can take him to Sonia's.
Yeah, we'll see. If he's a good boy, we'll take him to Sonia's.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, so next stop is, I'll turn the camera back on if there's eagles here. If not, it'll be Sonia's. All right, guys.
Hi, can I make an order for a pickup? 2 cheeseburgers.
Hang on. That's Sonia's, right?
Yes, it's Sonia's.
Okay.
Of course it's Sonia's. 2 cheeseburgers. Sorry about that. And an order of onion rings.
How long?
10 minutes. And it's for Tlo.
How much?
Thanks. Bye.
Oh, how much?
Didn't ask. Does
Okay.
it matter?
All
Does
right.
it matter how much it is?
Yeah.
No? Yeah. Whatever you're buying.
Okay. How much you need, you think? 20 good?
20.
Oh, it's a moth. A moth
Come
float.
on.
Get napkins? Now that's a burger.
You should put this on your lap.
Homemade. Homemade Sonia burger.
Put the burger down, put this on your lap, because you know what happened last time you fell.
Nah, I'll be right. Alright guys. That was the first episode of many, I hope, for our flood watch at the wild north of Netley. It is, I never gave the date. What's the date today? March 27th?
Sorry?
20, yeah, I think it's 27th today.
28th, I think.
28th? Okay. Thursday. Alright guys. Again, Tlo, thanks for all your help today. Midnight, thank you for coming along. That's a good girl. And everybody, thanks for watching Wild North of Netley.